Welcome to the wonderful world of the DFW made by Antunes. What is that? That is a tabletop steamer. Now think about this, guys. It's hoodless, it's ventless. No need for a hood, no need for a vent. Tabletop. We're steaming, right? So in the steamer, we have 212 degrees steam. So what can we do with that? Oh, maybe besides steaming some vegetables, some seafood, some lobsters, how about steaming a cake in there? How about making bread pudding in there? Who would have thunk, right? We are dealing with steam, 212 degrees on a tabletop, pour over with no water line. DFW by Antunes. All right, guys, you got to check this one out. In the Antunes DFW, we've steamed cake. Now, here's the cool part. You can take any boxed cake. I don't care, Duncan Hines, Betty Crocker, whoever she is. You take it, mix it like she tells you to. You take it, you put it in the DFW here, and you steam the cake for 20 minutes, and you pull it out, and you have this light, airy, fluffy, moist texture to a cake. Yes, you've steamed a cake in the DFW made by Antunes. All right, guys, I got the egg hack of all egg hack tricks. All right, so last night what I did is I took and put eggs, just raw eggs, in a vinegar bath. Left them out overnight, and what that does is it takes away the shell. The shell of the egg is gone. It becomes what we call a bouncy egg. Bouncy egg. So the attempt now, we're going to take my bouncy egg and we're going to bounce it right into this DFW. And we're going to see if we can't replicate sort of a poached egg Chef Joe style. So let's see here. As you look, guys, look, these are bouncy eggs. Closing it. Go. Bouncy egg Benedict. Oh, so guys, this is literally just it's the bouncy egg. We still kept it. So these are the bouncy eggs. This is just a membrane. So that turned into that. Now we're not certain where we're going to be here on the cook time, but we want to show you what we're going at. So you see how bouncy? So that would be your egg, and this would be table side. So you would take that table side. Bouncy eggs. So you're bouncing it. I'm losing nothing. I'm going into there. I can go table side with this. Pop the egg.